What's going on, guys? So we got something a little bit different for today's video. We're going to be getting into an unboxing for the three-way Asics, Atmos and Wotherspoon collab. First of all, big shouts to Asics Singapore for sending these two to me. These are actually my very first pair of Asics, so I'm really happy to have these. The Wotherspoon Atmos Asics collab was actually a Japan exclusive and it released back in June. My brother Landy was covering the content at the Tokyo launch, and when I saw these, I instantly became a fan of them because of the beautiful corduroy uppers. And yeah, these are finally seeing a much wider release now. So yeah, let's get into it. So getting through the box real quick, we've got the Asics, Atmos and Wotherspoon logo. Really clean and simple box to commemorate the three-way collab. Once again, shout out to Asics Singapore. Whole bunch of extras that we'll get to later on. And of course, the gel Lyte 3s. So first of all, getting into the shoe, I love the corduroy uppers. I'm a huge fan of corduroy. The material instantly gives me like vintage vibes. And it's just so cool to see it done so well on a shoe like this. And yeah, but the inspirations behind the shoe are what really got me. So the right pair was designed by Wotherspoon. It was made to represent LA, Los Angeles during the daytime. So you've got colors representing the LA sky, sun rays, sunsets, palm trees. Again, really beautiful pastel tones to capture LA. I grew up on West Coast music, so I love everything about LA. The culture, the vibe, the music. So this pair definitely hits close to home for me. We've even got this nice LA lettering detail on the tongue area. So the left pair was designed by Atmos. This was made to represent Tokyo during the nighttime. If you've ever walked through Tokyo during the nighttime, these colors are very reminiscent of what you'd see. The bright city skyline, neon signs, cars zooming by. We've even got the Tokyo lettering on the tongue area as well. Shout out to all my Asian brothers, by the way. I think Asics did a fantastic job on these, selecting and showcasing each city by colors. And of course, this collab comes with a whole bunch of customizable options, so let's get into those. So we've got some interchangeable Velcro Asics logos, custom Atmos and Wotherspoon patches, and also some extra pink laces which are super fire. So again, these are my first pair of Asics and they are crazy comfortable. The inside is made of this like satin or like velvet material. I'm not sure if it comes with all the gel Lyte 3s, but this quality right here is insane. Alright, so enough talking about the shoe, let's actually get into customizing it right now. So these are how my pair came to me. I'm not sure if this is a set that everyone gets the red and the yellow logo, but let's play around with these right now and see which patch logo combo works the best for us. Okay, so I think this is a color combination I'm pretty happy with. I went for more clean color matching, added the Atmos and Wotherspoon custom patches on them. I might do like a lace swap in the future, but I think I'm good with the white ones for now. And of course, last but not least, let's get into some styling and on-foot looks. Alright, that's gonna be it for me today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing on-foot styling video. It's something different from my channel. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and comment. If you've been enjoying my content and would like to support me, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to check out my Instagram as well. And yeah, much love guys, peace, and see you guys again soon.